Hiya. Now, tonight I'm going to show you how to make quesadillas. Now, we've got some tortilla wraps. These are the sun-dried tomatoes one, right? And you put that on your dish, right? Or rather on your chopping board. Now, you need some sort of base. So it's like a pizza. So here we are. I've mashed up some sweet potatoes, right? So I want to put some flavouring in that. I've got some coriander, some cumin. This all depends on how hot or how spicy you want it. And then I'll put a little bit of chili there. Right, so I'll get a good mix. Good thing with these quesadillas that you can make them well in advance. So we spread it on your tortilla wrap. There we go. So we've got the flavour in there. We've got salt, pepper, we've got coriander, we've got chili in there. So that is like our base. Now, I've got some leftover chicken. I've got some tomatoes. So we're building it very much like a pizza. So there's tomatoes, and then we've got some chicken here left from the other day. So let's use it all up. The little darling's given its life, so to respect it, let's use it all up. And that goes like that. And then what I've done is that I've fried up some vegetables. In this case, it is courgettes, peppers, and onions. So there you go. It looks rather like a pizza. Loads of onions like that. Lovely jubbly. And then of course the thing that sticks it all together is the cheese. So I've grated some cheese here. A hard cheese, something like a cheddar type cheese would be ideal. All right, let's get it to the edges there. Again, depends on how much you like it. Right, okay, so that's that. And then we put the lid on it. All right, press that down. Now, I'm going to put it onto the griddler. We've got a griddler, medium heat, and we go very, very gently like there. And then this is the one that I prepared earlier. And let's see what it looks like. So we cut it into wedges like a pizza. You see how quickly you can make it? Quesadilla, you can put anything in it. Do it vegetarian. You can put chicken, you can put fish, you can put shellfish in there. And there we go. So, if you see that, that's all in there. And that's your quesadilla. I'm going to have a munch of this one. Oh my goodness. I just love that so much. You get the spice coming through, you get the sweet potatoes, you get the peppers, you get the cheese, and it's all there. Easy peasy. Quesadilla with chicken. Enjoy like I'm enjoying it.